Keep learning and exploring with Wonder Kids.
Fire quiz for kids. What color is most fire truck? Red. What do you use to put out a small fire? A fire extinguisher. What sound does a smoke alarm make? Beep, beep, beep. What do firefighters wear to protect their heads? A hard helmet. What long tool carries water to the fire? A fire hose. What should you do if your clothes catch fire? Stop, drop, and roll. What helps firefighters breathe in smoky rooms? An oxygen mask. What do firefighters use to reach high windows? A ladder. What color is most fire equipment? Red. Who drives the big red truck? A firefighter.
Hooray! Thanks for watching! If you had fun, tap the like button. And subscribe for more adventures!